Class 10 NCERT Maths Chapter 6 Triangles Exercise 6.2 Theorem 6.2 If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Here I have mentioned figure. In triangle ABC, point D is on line AB, point E is on line AC. DE line divides AB in the ratio AD upon DB and AC in the ratio AE upon EC, and AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC, then we can say DE parallel to BC. Exercise 6.1, question 1. In figure 6.17 1 and 2, DE parallel to BC, find EC in figure 1 and AD in figure 2. So, in figure number 1, AD 1.5 cm, DB 3 cm, AE 1 cm, EC to find out. In figure number 2, AD we have to find out DB 7.2 cm, AE 1.8 cm and EC 5.4 cm. So let us see. In figure number 1, AD 1.5 cm, DB 3 cm, AE 1 cm, EC to find out. According to Thales theorem, DE parallel to BC, therefore AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC, therefore 1.5 upon 3 equal to 1 upon EC. Now let us do cross multiplication. Then 1.5 EC equal to 3. Therefore, EC equal to 3 upon 1.5. Therefore, EC equal to 2 cm. Let us see figure 2. According to Thales theorem, DE parallel to BC. Therefore, AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. So let us substitute the values. AD upon 7.2 equal to 1.8 upon 5.4. Therefore, 5.4 AD equal to 1.8 multiplied by 7.2. Therefore, AD equal to 1.8 multiplied 7.2 upon 5.4. Therefore, AD equal to 0.6 multiply 3 multiply 1.8 multiply 4 upon 1.8 multiply by 3. I have cancelled 1.8 and 3. Therefore, AD equal to 2.4 centimeter. Question 2. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF parallel to QR. I have mentioned figure triangle PQR. Point E was on line PQ and point F is on line PR. Case number 1, PE 3.9 cm, EQ 3 cm, PF 3.6 cm and FR 2.4 cm. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. If PE upon EQ equal to PF upon FR, then EF parallel to QR. Here 3.9 upon 3 equal to 3.6 upon 2.4 is not true because 1.3 is not equal to 3 upon 2. Hence, for given case, EF is not parallel to QR. Let us see case number 2. In case number 2, PE 4 cm, QE 4.5 cm, PF 8 cm and RF 9 cm. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. If PE upon EQ equal to PF upon FR, then EF parallel to QR. Here 4 upon 4.5 equal to 8 upon 9 is true because 4 upon 4.5 equal to 4 multiplied 2 upon 4.45 multiplied by 2. So 2 we can cancel out. So that 4 upon 4.5 is on right hand side. Hence, for given case EF parallel to QR, let us see case number 3. PQ 1.28 centimeter, PR 2.56 centimeter, PE 0.18 centimeter, and PF 0.36 centimeter. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. If PE upon EQ equal to PF upon FR, then EF parallel to QR. PE plus EQ is equal to PQ because point E is on PQ. 0.18 plus EQ equal to 1.28, therefore EQ equal to 1.10 centimeter. The same way PF plus FR equal to PR because point F is on PR line, therefore 0.36 plus FR equal to 2.56, therefore FR equal to 2.20 centimeter. Here 0.18 upon 1.10 equal to 0.36 upon 2.20. I have kept value of PE 0.18, it is given, and I have kept value of EQ, it is 1.10 that we have got, and also I have kept value of PF, it is given 0.36, and also I have kept value of PR, that means FR value we have got 2.20 centimeter. Therefore, 0.18 upon 1.10 equal to 0.18 multiply 2 upon 1.10 multiply 2. So 2 we can cancel out. Hence, for given case EF parallel to QR, so we have solved this question of exercise number 6.2. So we will see new problems in next session.